Application of Charaka Siddhanta in the successful management of Kitipu Kushta with special reference to psoriasis, a case study presented by Dr. K.V. Nalini, second year PG scholar from Department of Panchakarma, SV Ayurvedic College, Tirupati, under the guidance of Dr. P. Murali Krishna, Principal and Professor, SV Ayurvedic College, Tirupati. Kitipu Kushta, Syavam Kinakara Sparsham, Parusham Kitipam Smrutam. Psoriasis. Introduction. Psoriasis is a chronic proliferative and inflammatory condition of the skin which is characterized by erythematous flakes covered with silvery scales and particularly over the extensor surface, scalp and lumbosacral region. Psoriasis occurs worldwide and its prevalence varies. Psoriasis can present at any age and its etiology is unknown and it is considered to be an autoimmune disease mediated by T lymphocytes. Case presentation. A 23-year-old female came to OPD of SV Ayurvedic College Hospital Tirupati who was apparently normal before 3 months. She developed small skin lesions over upper and lower limb and low back region associated with severe itching and scaling, and she is a nursing tutor by profession belonging to a middle class Hindu family. She consulted an allopathic physician and advised with antihistamines and topical steroids, but as there was no considerable relief, later they injected steroids at multiple sites intradermally. After a few days, her condition became worse, so she approached SV Ayurvedic College for better treatment. And her personal history, her diet was excessive rukshahara and viruddhahara, and she used to take sprouts regularly, and her appetite is very low, and she is severely constipated, and her sleep is also disturbed. And while seeing Samprapti Gataka, Dosha Vatakafa, Dusha Rasa Rakta Mamsa Lasika, Srotas Rasavaha, Srotodishti is Sangha, Roga Marga Bahya, and Vaktasthana is Tvak, and Roga Swabhava is Chirakari. And Siddhanta of Charaka Samhita, Vatottareshu Sarpirvamanam Sleshmottareshu Kushteshu, Pittottareshu Moksho Raktasya Virechanam Chagre. In Vataja Kushta Gratapana, in Kavacha Kushta Vamana, and in Pittaja Kushta Virechana, along with Rakta Mokshana should be the first line of treatment. Bahudoshaha Samsodhyaha Kushti Bahusho Anurakshata Pranan. Doshe Hyatimatra Hrute Vayurhanyad Balamashu. Patient with excessive vitiated dosha should be given Shodhana therapy repeatedly, taking care of their prana. Excess elimination of dosha may bring about excessive weakness which may endanger the life of the patient. Snehasya panamishtam suddhe koste pravahite rakte vayurhi suddha kostam kustina mabalam vishati shikram. After shodhana and bloodletting, sneha should be administered orally to combat the vitiation of vata after shodhana karma. Materials and methods. Amapachana for 3 days with Chitrakadivati. Arohana Snehapana for 5 days with Mahatikta Kruta, starting with a dose of 30 ml to 150 ml, and 1 day Sarvanga Abhyanga and Sweda before Vamana Karma, and Vamana Karma on 15th of August with Madana Phala, Vacha Churna, Yesti Madhu Churna, Saindavalavana and Madhu. And before giving the medicine, we have given Akantak Kshirapana, and totally we used 2 liters of Yestimadhu Fanta and 2 liters of Lavana Jala while giving Vamana Karma, and patient got 10 Vegas of Vamana, 10 Vegas and 15 Upavegas, and attained Samyak Siddha Lakshanasam. And discussion. According to Ayurveda, Kitipu Kushta is a Vata Kapha Pradhana Kushta. A 23-year-old female developed skin lesions over upper limb, lower limb and low back region associated with severe itching and scaling. On scratching, she used to get bleeding, and on history taking, patient had irregular diet pattern and excessive use of Ruksha, Guru and Viruddhahara, and she used to take Viruda, that is sprouts, which is Viruddhahara as per Ayurveda regularly. Ati Chintana, Krodha, Shoka are also there. And all these factors led to the vitiation of Vata and Kapha, which ultimately vitiate Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Lasika, and leading to Margavarodha in Tvak, resulting in Pidika and Kandu all over the body, causing Kitipakusta. Keeping in view of Bahudoshatva, Vamana was planned for Shodhana. After Shodhana, Samsarjana Krama was followed. On discharge, Shamanaushati possessing Tikta Snigdha Guna, Kushtagna and Kandugna properties were advised to continue, and the patient was asked to come for follow up after 15 days, and Patya and Apatya are also advised to the patient. And conclusion: this case study is documented evidence for the successful treatment of Kitipakusta through Shodhana and Shamana Chikisha. Shodhana has great importance in Bahudosha Avastha. Acharya Charaka opined that repeated Shodhana has great importance in Bahudoshatva in Kusta. And for Kusta, for Kusta, for Kusta Vyadhi, Uttama Sneha Matra is advised by the Charaka, and Uttama Sneha Matra is considered as Shamana Sneha by Charaka. Thank you.